What up, everybody? Today we're going to learn about solving for a variable when you've got a bunch of variables. So let's take x squared plus ab equals, I don't know, c. Oh, wow. That's not very creative. Okay, so let's say we want to solve for a. Okay? Now, that means we want to solve for this little guy right here, which means essentially we want to get everything away from it. This sucker is, he's gotten bit by a zombie, or he's gotten sick and he fell down and when he was in the bathroom when he was washing his face off, and oh, he's turning into a zombie. Everybody else wants to get out of there. Get out of there, get out of there, zombie, zombie. Okay? So, that was the worst analogy ever. But what you're going to do is, you got to get everything to the other side of the equal sign, which is, in this case, just the b and the x squared. Okay? Just like whenever you're solving an equation, like a regular multi-step equation, you want to get rid of what is furthest away from our little zombie letter. Get rid of it first, okay? Now, the a and b are like making out over here. A and b are right next to each other. So that means I got to get rid of the x squared first, okay? It's just regular x squared hanging out by itself, being plussed with the ab. So all I'm going to have to do is subtract x squared from both sides. That makes it go away over here because that makes it 0. Bring down this because I've made a mess of it. So it's ab equals, and then this is just c minus x squared. Can you combine those? Negative, Ghost Rider. Boom! It's like that because you can't mix them. It's like a PlayStation game on an Xbox. That's what I always say. We're still trying to solve for a, so I still got to get this a by itself. Little zombie letter. Last thing to get rid of is the b. Get him to safety. Okay. That was bad. Okay. So, what we got to do is we got to get rid of the b. We look at what's happening. That's a times b. What's the opposite of multiplying? Dividing. You divide that by b. That'll make that b divided by b is 1. So, essentially, it goes away. And then we divide this side by b. Can we simplify any of this? Negative, Ghost Rider. You cannot. That's 2 negative Ghost Riders in one explanation. That's what we call the double-double, if you've ever watched basketball. I'm just kidding. That's not what it's about. So that would be your answer. And you think, well, I didn't solve it. It's okay. We had way too many variables and not enough information. That's how you solve for a variable with other variables. Bye-bye. Hey, hit the outro.
Hey, thanks for showing up. Give me subscribe at tarver.com. Pizza?
Okay, check out tarveracademy.com. Hang out at the Facebook page. Check out the Twitter. And you can send me pictures via Twitter. A couple people have been asking questions via Facebook. I don't check it as much. I'm sorry. It just auto-posts there. Check me out on Twitter and I'll try to help you out. Just take a picture of the problem and send it to me. And then also my other YouTube channel, which has videos that are less mathy and more not mathy. Well, bye.